10 ways to eliminate mediocrity from your life. Are you ready? Think big, act small. Most mediocre people are very scared to think big. They just do what their society or surroundings expect them to and rarely pursue things on their own. To avoid mediocrity, start thinking big. Set massive goals and start making progress towards them slowly and steadily, and one day you will reach them. Remember, slow and steady always wins. Look up to people who are different. If you're surrounded by mediocre people, you're bound to end up being just like them. Role models, mentors, advisors, they're a great way to escape your mediocre surroundings. Is there really someone you know who's different from everyone else? If you look up to this person, follow their life path, take inspiration, and let that guide you away from a life of mediocrity. Don't listen to the majority. The majority of people in this world are average. Average people are scared to move out of their comfort zones. Now, extraordinary feats are wholly and solely achieved by moving out of that comfort zone. So if you're going to be taking advice from this majority before taking major life decisions, you'll be following a path of mediocrity, my friend. Spend your free time doing something productive. Most people have a hell of a lot of free time at their disposal. Did you know that on average, an individual has upwards of 60 hours a week of free time? Now, average people, they waste this free time on partying and television. But if you want to be above average, if you want to be extraordinary, and if you want to avoid mediocrity, you have to be willing to work harder than everyone else. So level up, pack your schedule, enhance your skills, and use this free time to actually learn something that will help you tomorrow. Do what others are not willing to do. You must be committed to doing whatever it takes to achieve your goals. It's simple. To reach places you've never seen, you have to do things you've never done. You must be willing to sacrifice whatever it takes to achieve your goals. And believe me, most people you know will not be willing to do what it takes to reach where you want to go. Take calculated risks. Average people live monotonous lives. They work a 9-to-5 job, save just about enough money for one vacation a year, and hope that they have earned enough money over 40 years to enjoy retirement. Now that's a very safe life, but that's a mediocre life. And if you want to rise above this mediocre life, you cannot be fearful of the risks associated with it. Now, I'm not someone who ever says risks should be taken without planning. Always weigh the consequences of the risks that you're about to take, but be open to taking them. If you don't take these risks, you will not succeed. Stop doubting yourself. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. A doubter sees a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity but doesn't take it. Why? Because maybe it's too risky. Maybe it won't work. Maybe it's not worked for you in the past, so why will it now? Maybe you've never tried it. Or maybe just the weather's bad. Whatever be the reason, you can think of 100 reasons for something to not work, or you can have an unconditional faith in your potential and ability. Remember, you're the only person who has the power to set yourself free. Stop complaining. Average people keep complaining just about everything. Their families, their friends, their lives, their jobs, their countries, or even the world. Don't get sucked into this trap. Instead of complaining about a problem, find a solution to that problem. Be excited. The average person is bored, upset, annoyed, or even all three. If you want to be above average, you must be ecstatic about life. Even if you don't feel like it, just decide to be enthusiastic and excited. Practice this and you will learn to be it every day. It's a muscle, it's not just an emotion, so train it like one. Lastly and most importantly, never give up. Average people give up the moment things get hard, and then they complain they never got what they wanted. Of course things will get hard. You will cry, you'll be afraid, you'll be angry, you'll be anxious, you'll be totally beaten to a pulp. But when the average person stops getting up, you have to rise again. What is it that you truly desire? Is it something difficult? Is it something impossible? Howsoever difficult or impossible it may seem, never give up on it. Never surrender. And never settle for anything less. Get what you're after or die trying. That's the attitude of winners.